Hey, welcome back to Check Out the Rileys. We're just going to do a quick look at the small garden deals that we planted here by the house. See how they're doing. You see this one, they built things for it to climb up. What kind of plants are these, Merce?
Ampalaya, bitter gourd.
Bitter gout. So, see they're looking pretty good. And then let's go over here. So you can tell me what you got planted for us?
Okra.
Both of these are okra?
Yeah.
Also, there's the solar light that we got installed. See, we stuck it on a bamboo. And it's done pretty well. It's got a remote to it to turn it like different, lengths of staying on and that kind of thing. But yep, we got it up. It's nice to have when it's solid dark out here. Let's check out the two other little places that we got over here. What did you say this was again? Okra. Alright.
Since there's a storm coming.
Yeah, there was a big storm last night,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
it's
again.
so we'll have to get these standing up like those. Yeah. So that storm that you guys seen, I posted a video of it there. That's what it was raining so hard. Knocked down some of the plants. Here's the other patch. We haven't messed with it yet today. That's why still got some leaves and stuff. They got knocked down during the storm last night.
Did you show them the tree that we...
This one? So here's a tree that we trimmed a little bit to help with our internet signal.
And also from the okra.
And help this grow better.
Yeah.
Not as much shade. Yep, just wanted to do a quickie update and show you guys what's happening to the small garden that we planted over here. So make sure you leave a comment, tell us how we're doing, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hit that like button, and we're out of here, right? We're out of here. Bye.